In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a frame or border around video or image in CapCut PC. If you want to give your footage a cleaner look, make your photos stand out, or add a more stylized design element, CapCut PC gives you a few very easy ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the 3 simplest methods so you can choose the one that fits your project best. The first method is using CapCut's built-in graphic frames. This is the fastest option if you want something ready-made and visually stylish. Go to the top left menu bar, click Effects, and then choose Video Effects. In the search bar, type Frame. CapCut will show you a range of frame style presets. You may see options like Polaroid, Retro, Line Frame, or Neon. Just scroll through and preview the styles until you find one you like. Once you do, drag that frame effect directly onto your video or photo clip on the timeline. This is perfect when you want a decorative frame without having to build anything manually. The second method is great if you want a clean, solid border around your footage. Start by selecting your clip on the timeline. Then go to the top right panel, open Video, and under Basic scroll down to Canvas. Change the drop-down to Color and choose the border color you want. After that, go back up to Scale and reduce it to around 90%. As soon as you scale the clip down, CapCut reveals the colored canvas around it, creating a sharp and even border on all sides. This method works especially well for simple, modern-looking edits where you want the border to feel neat and intentional. The third method uses track layering, which gives you a more customizable outer frame. First, place a solid color image or background clip on track 1. Then put your video directly above it on track 2. Click the top video clip and in the preview player, grab the corner handles and shrink it down slightly. Because the background clip is underneath, it becomes visible around the edges and acts like a bold frame. This is a really useful technique when you want full control over the backdrop and border appearance. And that's it. Those are the 3 easiest ways to add a frame or border in CapCut PC. Whether you want a quick preset, a simple solid outline, or a fully custom layered look, each method is easy to apply and gives your content a more polished finish. You're all set. Done.